Today, the message coming in loud and clear is to remind everyone to keep your words in the highest vibration you can. Keep your words and your thoughts high. Don't let the worries, don't let the fears dictate, because the energy is moving so quickly, it could come into a manifestation fast. Several things I have thought of positively have shown up so quickly within 24 hours. So I am being very cognizant of what I'm thinking and what I'm saying. And if I do something that isn't for my best and highest good, I'm quickly catching it. I'm quickly saying, forget it, cancel, clear, delete, because I know the energy is moving fast. And I want to remind you all of the same thing. The angels are just encouraging you to notice and keep those thoughts and words coming out of your mouth positive.